हेलो नमस्ते, मैं हूं डॉक्टर सौरभ एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय टीम एट सिंशिया ब्रेनवी. We all know that human body, our plants, we are habitual of a earth gravitational environment. But जरा सोच के देखिए कि कभी ऐसा हो if there is no gravity, our earth's surface is completely devoid of gravity. So can we really think of sustaining the human life in a zero gravity condition? So what will happen? Our soil will start floating off into the space. Everything will start floating away. More importantly, can we think of growing the plants in a zero gravity? In line with this, our today's topic, can we have cosmic salads from Gardens of Galaxy? Or could it be a component of futuristic farming? Means, can we have gardens at our outer space? Can we have the Gardens of Galaxy? More importantly, can we think of growing the plants in our outer space? Or can we have the crops from outer space? मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली, क्या हम कभी आउटर स्पेस से भी कोई क्रॉप्स कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं? So in line with this, we have another situation and that is population explosion. आप सभी जानते हैं कि by the 2050 we are going to reach a mark of 10 billion, and in the era of climate change, global warming, feeding such a huge population is a great challenge. In addition to this, जो हमारे cultivable land है उसमें भी लगातार कमी आ रही है. Means we have the scarcity of cultivable land due to urbanization, modernization, and in quest of development. Definitely, we have to think for some better alternative, and it is quite possible. And in this context, humans are doing a remarkable job. We have come up with some new innovative techniques of growing plants without soil, like hydroponics, aeroponics, and aquaponics. बट इसके साथ साथ क्या स्पेस गार्डनिंग भी इसका एक कंपोनेंट हो सकता है? कैन गार्डन्स ऑफ गैलेक्सी बी ए पार्ट ऑफ फ्यूचरिस्टिक फार्मिंग? एज हम पहले डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि वी कैन ग्रो द प्लांट्स, वी कैन ग्रो द क्रॉप्स इन आवर आउटर स्पेस. आई होप all of you might have seen the sci-fi Hollywood movie, which is science fiction movie The Martian. उसमें एक ऐसे दिखाया जाता है कि कैसे दे नासा साइंटिस्ट जो हैं वो एक मिशन लॉन्च करते हैं टू एक्सप्लोर द मार्स. और इन इस मूवी में ये दिखाया जाता है कि इसमें से एक जो क्रू मेंबर होता है जिसका नाम होता है मार्क बाटनी. सो इसमें ये दिखाया जाता है कि मार्क बाटनी हु गेट्स स्ट्रैंडेड ऑन द मार्स आफ्टर ए फेरोशियस सैंडस्टॉर्म एंड विच फोर्सेस हिज क्रू टू अवॉर्ड देयर मिशन एंड ब्लास्ट ऑफ फॉर द अर्थ, एंड ही गेट्स स्ट्रैंडेड ऑन द मार्स अलोन. सो he was a botanist actually, and इस मूवी में दिखाया जाता है कि as he was a botanist, he started growing planters on the Mars surface, but for sustaining his life for a long duration. But practically, how it is possible? Means to what extent it is possible? Can we really grow the crops at our outer space? Can we really grow the plants at the Mars surface or in the outer space stations? And yes, the answer is yes, and answer lies in NASA. We know that NASA and other space agencies, we are launching so many space missions to explore the outer space. Means if we are launching space missions, we have to send the astronauts to the space. Means एक space race शुरू हो चुकी है different countries के बीच में कि who will go first and who will explore first. So in this context, sometime we have to stay there for the long duration. मतलब हमारे जो एस्ट्रोनॉट्स होते हैं, हमारे जो क्रू मेंबर्स होते हैं, they have to stay in the space station for a long duration, and they have to depend for their diet on the processed or packaged food. But if they have to stay there for long duration, definitely there is degradation of quality of food. Means जो लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन के लिए अगर हमें बाहर रहना पड़ेगा तो जो वो पैकेज फूड या प्रोसेस्ड फूड पे डिपेंड है फॉर देयर डाइट, डेफिनेटली उसका जो न्यूट्रिएंट कंटेंट है, उसका जो एंटीऑक्सीडेंट कैपेसिटीज हैं, डेफिनेटली दे विल डिग्रेड if they have to stay there for the long duration. Means we cannot guarantee a healthy diet to our astronauts. So in context with this, NASA scientists they started a mission, means they started a project to grow the plants in our outer space. आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे, she is a Dr. Masa and she is a leading scientist in NASA who was actually leading the plant growing project the space. So what she says that we know that she says that growing food in the space could be crucial for astronauts on long duration missions such as Artemis 3. Artemis 3 is a नासा's फ्यूचर स्पेस मिशन जिसमें कि वो प्लान कर रहे हैं कि सेंड द ह्यूमंस मींस एस्ट्रोनॉट्स टू एक्सप्लोर द लूनर साउथ पोल बाय 2024 और फाइनली दे विल आल्सो सेंड द एस्ट्रोनॉट्स टू मार्स टू एक्सप्लोर द आउटर स्पेस. सो हम देख सकते हैं कि शी इज फर्दर सेइंग दैट इफ you store the packaged food for a long duration, the quality, flavor and nutritional quality decrease, the vitamins degrade, and we cannot guarantee a healthy diet to our astronaut. And if we are successful in growing plants in our outer space, तो जो space gardening है ना, that will also give the psychological benefits to our astronauts. But how NASA achieved this? मतलब NASA ने ये करिश्मा कैसे कर दिखाया? So for this purpose, actually, they designed a specific growth chamber for growing the plants in our outer space, और जिसको कि वो कहते हैं बेजी चैम्बर. And it was built by Orbital Technologies Corporation in Wisconsin, USA. So ये जो बेजी चैम्बर है एक्चुअली दिस इज ए ग्रोथ चैम्बर advanced which provide advanced plant habitat for growing plants in the outer space. And here you can see the different components of this growth chamber which we call Beji chamber. And if you want to see the live video of its functioning, I have provided here the link, YouTube link, and you can go through this if you want to see the functioning, how this Beji chamber components function actually. So ये जो Beji chamber है actually you can see this is the Beji chamber, and here the plants are grown in the plant pillows. I will discuss in the next slides that what is plant pillow. And you can see here the healthy lettuce crop in the Beji chamber. Actually this Beji chamber, it has some light facilities, means like we use LED lights which may be red, blue or green, and it has a fan system to circulate the air, means at the International Space Station. So as you can see that Beji system includes implanting one seed of crop plant in rotting pillows in specially designed bags, which controls the release of plant growth promoting fertilizers. So let me show you here. As I discussed that this is a Beji chamber, and we are talking about कह रहे हैं कि specially designed bags. So these are the specially designed bags जिसको कि हम plant pillow कहते हैं. और ये जो बैग हैं ये plant pillows हैं. You can see the components of these plant pillows. And you can see here this is a flip and which we call Bix. Actually क्या होता है कि जो ये Bix है ये flips है, and seeds are glued into this Bix, and their roots will go down into the plant pillows, and plant growth will occur from upward side, means plant will move to upward side. So ये जो actually ये plant pillows हैं इसका भी जो outer covering है that is also made up of a synthetic material which is Kevlar synthetic material, which is a synthetic fiber, and actually that is heat resistant. और इसका जो bottom वाला हिस्सा जो होता है that is also made up of a synthetic material which we call Nomex, and वो भी एक flame और heat resistant material होता है to provide a healthy, means to support the plant growth in the harsh conditions of outer space. So जैसे कि मैं बात कर रहा था अभी कि we glue the seeds into those Bix, हम ये जो Bix है इसके साथ हम we glue the seeds, तो इसको seeds को इसके में glue करने के लिए भी we use a natural gum. आप सभी ने सुना होगा, मीन्स हम सभी जानते हैं there is a legume vegetable which we call ग्वारफली, मीन्स क्लस्टर बीन. सो इसके जो सीड्स की प्रोसेसिंग है इससे जो एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप का पॉलीसेक्राइड गम निकलती है जिसको हम कहते हैं ग्वार गम. सो एक्चुअली दे आर यूजिंग दिस नेचुरल ग्वार गम फॉर ग्लूइंग द सीड्स on those Bix, so that the roots will emerge to the plant pillows and plant growth will move to upwards. And ये जो plant pillows हैं इसमें these are the specially designed bags, and इसमें जो growth media होता है plants के लिए that is a calcined clay or the space dirt, and which controls the release of or regulates the release of fertilizers to the plants. जैसा कि मैंने ये बता रहा था कि आपको plants pillows are Teflon coated black Kevlar with a Nomex bottom which contains the growth media, है ना. एंड ये जो Bix हैं हम बात कर रहे थे कि जैसे ये Bix कैरी द वाटर टू सीड्स which are glued in, and the combination of water and the light triggers germination. तो जैसे जैसे प्लांट का ग्रोथ होता है ना, जो ये बेजी चैम्बर है एक्चुअली, ये जो बेजी चैम्बर है, इसकी बाल्स भी दे स्टार्ट ऑटोमेटिकली एक्सपेंडिंग विद द ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स. So overall, अभी तक they have been successful in growing 15 different types of vegetables in this veggie chamber. So how NASA achieved this success actually? So they launched series of experiments. So चलिए अभी डिस्कस करते हैं आगे कि how they started this project. So first of all, the most important thing was candidate space crop. What could be the candidate space crop for cultivation in the outer space? So could it be salad crops? क्या ये रूट क्रॉप्स हो सकती हैं, और स्पाइस क्रॉप्स और स्टेपल क्रॉप्स जैसे कि हमारा राइस, व्हीट, पोटैटोज हैं. सो फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट, फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट विच दे नेम VEG-01, the selection of crop was important. So first of all, they chose the crop which have high germination ability, faster growth, which was attractive, and have the low microbial load, and most importantly, it should appeal tasty to everyone. Means it should have bite acceptability, and it should be rich in the antioxidants. So for this purpose, they chose the salad vegetable which we call lettuce. And another crop for the VEG-01 experiment they selected, it was a flower crop which is Zinnia. I will discuss in the later slide that why they selected Zinnia crop. And first of all, let's talk about this lettuce experiment in the VEG-01. So you can see here on date 18th April 2014, the first ever experiment of vegetable growing VEG-01, it was accomplished in the space station. So इसके अंदर जो फर्स्ट एवर वेजिटेबल क्रॉप है, जो वी कैन से दैट लेटस वाज द फर्स्ट एवर वेजिटेबल ग्रोन एट द इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन. इसमें क्या होता है कि दे ग्रो द 6 प्लांट पिलोज ऑफ लेटस, और उसमें से जो 3 प्लांट पिलोज दे गेट डाइड एंड 3 सर्वाइव्ड. But they sent those 3 survived plant pillows. Means after 33 days they harvest the crop, they store them, and they send them back to the earth for food safety analysis. Because it is important, the food safety analysis is important. जैसे कि मैंने पहले बात कर रहा था कि जो हमारा ह्यूमन बॉडी है, हमारे जो प्लांट्स हैं, दे आर हैबिचुअल ऑफ अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल एनवायरनमेंट, but changes there may be in the outer space stations. So definitely there may be some changes in the plant internal quality also at the outer space station. That's why before human consumption, the food safety analysis is important. So they sent back the samples to the earth for the food safety analysis. So what were the conclusions of this VEG-01 experiment? They found that we can grow the plants in this veggie chamber. Second thing, they were having the watering challenges, so that they can calibrate the further experiments the water requirement. Another thing, they sent back the samples to the earth surface for the food safety analysis, and they found that there is no significant difference in the nutrient content and antioxidant content. Or more important, they did not find any harmful bacteria or fungal or viral pathogen which could be harmful to the human consumption. So उन्होंने अपने crew member को they gave a go ahead to crew members for a second crop. So I have provided here the research paper which is based on this microbial analysis of lettuce crop grown at the space station. You can see here so in this context, during the next year, means 2015, July 2015, they took the second crop of lettuce under the experiment VEG-01. So on the 10th August, this we can say that this is one of the historic picture where the astronauts are consuming the first ever vegetable grown at the International Space Station. You can see here they are enjoying a lot the space food. और ये एक्सट्रीम टेक का नेक्स्ट डे का आर्टिकल है 11 अगस्त 2015 का. सो देन दे स्टार्ट है अनदर एक्सपेरिमेंट, जैसा कि मैं बात कर रहा था कि जीनिया फ्लावर्स, भाई दे चोज द जीनिया फ्लावर अंडर द एक्सपेरिमेंट VEG-01C. एक्चुअली ये जो जीनिया है, इट इज़ ए फ्लावर क्रॉप एंड इट इज़ ए लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन क्रॉप एंड इट्स क्वाइट हार्डी क्रॉप. वी कैन ग्रो इट इन द ड्राई हार्श कंडीशंस, and it is a flowering crop, long duration crop. So definitely we can think of, if it is successful, we can think of growing other crops which are having the botanical habits or like this. जैसे कि ये टोमेटोज है या हमारी दूसरी सोलिनेशियस क्रॉप्स हैं विच फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स. So you can see that these zinnia flowers, they can be considered as a precursor for a tomato and other plants that need to flower and fruit. And long duration growth, it will assist in determining viability of other long duration crops in veggie chamber. So इसके साथ साथ फिर नासा ने अनदर सीरीज ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टार्ट किए. हम देख सकते हैं कि उन्होंने डिफरेंट वेजिटेबल्स इन द डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स दे हैव ग्रोन एंड दे वर सक्सेसफुल मींस इन हार्वेस्टिंग दीज क्रॉप्स. जैसा कि हम बात करें कि 2016 में उन्होंने रेड रोमेन लेट्यूस फिर से अंडर द वेज 03 एक्सपेरिमेंट, देन चाइनीज कैबेज, मिजुआना मस्टर्ड, then 2018 again red Russian kale and dragon lettuce, and recently last year in the month of November 2020 they harvested the first root vegetable crop at the outer space station. हमें बोल सकते हैं कि रेडिश जो है कि फर्स्ट रूट वेजिटेबल क्रॉप है जो कि इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन पे कंज्यूम की गई, हार्वेस्ट की गई. एंड दिस इज रिसेंटली, दिस इज अ न्यूज ऑफ लास्ट ईयर November 2020. So here you can see the article of Indian Express. ये दिसंबर लास्ट ईयर का आर्टिकल है. NASA astronauts harvest first radish crop ever on the International Space Station. And recently अभी ये लास्ट मंथ का ही आर्टिकल है. The breakthrough, the first plant transplant take place in International Space Station. So we can say with the success of these experiments, humans can really envision the cosmic salads on our plates in the near future. So with this I would like to thank you and I would like to end the video. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, अगर रैली में आपको कुछ जानने को मिला है, if you have found something interesting and you really like the video, kindly share करें, like करें और subscribe करें. and अगर आप डायरेक्ट कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं, you can directly ask the questions at our email ID which I have provided here. And with this I will like to thank you. Stay happy, stay blessed and stay healthy. Thank you.